So what I wonder about along those lines, since we last chatted, there've been some changes. Like one of the changes is salary requirements being listed in job specs. That's a very big thing. What I find, and a lot of people in my space talk about, is that the ranges are so so big. You know, you can have a range from like 10,000 to 100,000. What good is it? So, is there some way to have some range, like a 5% above or below, or is this just going to be playing whack-a-mole? Here's a new requirement, but here's a way to work around it.
Right. Excellent point. I would say we have to look at what's public policy telling us, people who are in leadership roles in, say, the New York City um, Council, which is what created that law. And I believe there could be something in another state, maybe California, that's doing the same thing. I don't know if that's been proposed in New Jersey, but that complaint is valid. One of them that we were sending around a month ago said the range is $60,000 to $600,000. That's not disclosure. That's obfuscation. Now, in New York, they have a commission that's supposed to look at those types of things. And it's going to take time to work out if somebody is held to be in bad faith for doing that, because they can be fined for that. And that's really, it's the carrot and the stick. If you obey it and you're reasonable, good things will happen. If you transgress it, we're going to bring down the weight of, the gods upon you. So that's to be determined. But it's, of course, it's an important point. You create something that says make this a meaningful thing for workers to look at, so that A, know whether they're pitching in the right ballpark, and B, that essentially you're not going to dumb down that job. Because if they said it's worth about 100,000 and you come in and they say, by the way, how much do you make now? Oh, I'm qualified, but I've been underpaid, so I'm making 60. Congratulations, we're offering you the job. That's what this range is supposed to be for, is to say, we're not going to dumb it down to 20, 30, 40,000. And not only that, New Jersey, for example, says don't ask the person's last salary. The only time the employer in New Jersey can do that is after they've offered you the job. And why is that? So they can confirm it. Because if you said I've been making 80,000 and you're making 25, maybe that's a problem from their point of view as far as what your experience truly is.